It's recording now. So.
Good.
John! Wait.
Hello there. Today we are filming.
Get a full freaking real gun.
Alright guys, we ready?
Like here in Canada we do.
Ready guys? Okay.
Like your stupid ions freaking
James can't. I'll be the rest of this airsoft game.
I'm making I'm making turrets out of these thingies that fall from the trees.
Okay. Everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Is everybody ready?
Stop, Felipe. Felipe. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds.
You're gonna have to
Go. Ooh.
We need multiple cameras, like 4 cameras.
out. No, I'm out. Oh, you're out?
Come on, continue playing, guys.
Check them out. John's out.
Sean, you're out. That's the end of round 1. Let's see who wins on round 3.
Wait.
You out?
Wait.
Sean, you're out.
I'm not.
Keep playing.
Well.
And who will knock out Sean?
Kyle. Probably planning sneak attack.
Get out of the way, Felipe. You're in that camera.
So you're really gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Really?
My brother.
This isn't gonna get any ratings or anything.
Why?
Just think about it.
I wasn't shooting that whole time.
Hey, Kyle.
Yo, Kyle. That gun hurts like hell. So I've been told.
Make the screen.
Be quiet. I can't do anything with this. Also, I have a regular video. Woo.
No, I meant by putting the glasses over the lens.
Dude, it's not going to do anything. Just to make the lens bad.
Orange. Orange.
And this is the view.
Grenade!
Yeah, we came that out. Get out. Oh!
And Julie Benedict wins this first round.
Hell yeah!
Who wins the next round?
Stop videotaping your